everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to find viral TikTok sounds before they blow up. First of all, go to the TikTok sounds tab. Go to favorites or recents or hot or for you. Use some songs from there. Save promising sounds to your favorites. Use those saved sounds quickly in your own videos. Monitor sound performance using your analytics. Safety tip: do not use unlicensed or copyrighted sounds from unofficial sources. Quick fix: if a sound isn't trending yet, try remixing it with your own twist to make it unique. And that's it. Subscribe for more quick fixes and trending tips. And thank you guys so much for watching this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.